Hello, and welcome to another video. This one's gonna be Skyblock. And yes, you see over there in the distance, that is an island. There are 4 islands around, with the 5 different woods. No, 4 different islands with 5 different woods. Yeah, it's a little weird, but you'll see. Anyway, actually, probably what we want to start with is to break these and hopefully get multiple seeds. Yes. One more. Oh. Next, we'll probably best if we just start breaking these leaves and get a sapling. We don't have to worry about it as much to get the rest of the leaves. But I guess might as well just chop down this lower part of the tree to get a more open area. And then we'll just make a hole down 2 blocks. And we can simply expand this island a little bit. And there's already our dirt on the ground. I mean our grass. Dirt. Jeez. Dirt. Alright, now that we have all of that done, we can make our tools. Get our wooden pickaxe. Oh. Okay. We want the water to go here and the lava to go there. And then just mine. Right there. Upgraded tool. Boom. Boom. Farm is set up. I don't know what the seed pickle's for. I'm just gonna leave it in there. I just keep mining cobblestone. There we go. Boom. There it is. Cobblestone generator. Boom. I have a little mob platform. And broken. Oh. We can blow it. Alright, there we go. I just mine and then just occasionally look back to see if there's any mobs. Well, I've been mining, I've been placing, and there we go. We have a bigger platform. Still a small dirt area. But maybe actually hard to just go to the edge of here. An animal spawn, that would be great. do have one up flush. I'll just stay here. So there's an acacia over there. I think I'll head to the islands later. I think I'll just expand the main area around and around. And yes. Oh wait, I needed that. Oh crap. I needed that block. I needed that block. Let's slab to here. I'll make a better farm later. For now, it's just gonna be finding this cobblestone generator. Over. And over. And over. And over. Until it turns nighttime, then I can make do that. Go back. Start mining again. Oops. Accidentally broke that. Yeah, so Skyblock is basically you mine cobblestone. You mine, you mine, you mine, you mine, you mine, and mine, and mine, and mine, and mine, and mine. You just keep mining, and mining, and mining, and mining. You'll have so many stone pickaxes. So this iron is actually a valuable thing, and the only way to get it without going to the Nether first. Well, I guess to get your first iron, you have to kill a lot of zombies for that bad boy. And then you need to get a flint, which I don't actually know how to get a flint. I wonder if wandering traders give you a flint. They probably do. It's probably how you get flint, like gravel. Something that will give you flint. Oh, why? Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. So stupid. Oh, wow. There goes a precious dirt. Yeah, it's just mining. It's just mining. Just constant mining. And then, yeah, you just get slabs. And start placing more of them down. Just expand and expand your land. Nope. I don't know if it's going to burn the crafting table, but I'm not taking any chances with that crafting table. Should have done like my chest, since that can't burn. Oh. But it would have been really stupid if I accidentally did mine all of it. So yeah, I'm just gonna like start out. You basically mine cobblestone, expand your place, wait for your trees to grow. Then once they grow, you mine their leaves and hope you get as many saplings as possible. At least one, but it's better if you got like 2, 3 higher. So then you can just expand and expand and expand. Quickly too. So look at that. Oh, there's no enemies. Like, am I gonna make like a tree area since I just have extra space? I'm gonna throw out some cobblestone around all the. Oh! No, don't fall. Oh. That's just because it's kind of useless having this here around the lava. It's not really useful. Can be used, I guess. I should say. And boom. I just place all the saplings down, and bada bing, bada boom. Oh! This one's gonna be blank one till this one grows. No, never mind. Just gonna. There we go. Just a bunch of saplings. Boom. Good news. Very, very good news. We've got another sugarcane. Now, how to get this sugarcane farm actually get going? You just do that. Just keep it going out. Then I'm just gonna expand this side out by 2. Looks like there's also a creeper in the. Oh my god. There. And if there's any dirt, it's gonna just expand away. If I grab any of the dirt from the islands, but I don't think I will. I don't think I actually will. Okay, I guess that's just gonna stick there. And stop it! Then you just. Boom! Sugarcane farm. Then you just mine cobblestone, place cobblestone, kill mobs in the mob farm. Now this block slab sounds good because they can't actually get around it. See? Just safe, chilling right there. Oh, and also another thing. When you're getting like the wood stuff, whatever. You know, your area's gonna be dark. You need torches. Furnace, logs, boom. That's charcoal torches. That's how you'll get any of your torches. It costs wood. And a valuable resource. We're talking valuable. Pretty valuable too. Like, even in like an early game, that's pretty valuable. Constantly keep expanding. So once you're done placing, make sure you get a furnace. Make sure you have a little backup chest full of backup pickaxes and extra cobblestone. And yeah, that's it. I guess thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next Skyblock. Bye!